Shree Steel Corporation is the most promising and trusted supplier and distributor of mild steel beams. Our MS beam joists are flawless, highly functional and durable. It is made of mild steel, a low-carbon steel material that provides durability and strength while being relatively easy to work with. These MSI beams are widely used for the construction of flyovers, bridges, pedestrian walkover, buildings, factory sheds, conveyors, and many more engineering components. MS beams are often selected based on their load-bearing capacity, weight, and cost-effectiveness, making them a popular choice in the construction industry.